today the best doctor in the world is going to show you how to do a Dutch braid. So, in the last two videos, I have shown you how to do a simple braid and a French braid. You should know how to do the simple braid by now, and if you know how to do a French braid, that's even better. That's gonna make it really easy for you to learn how to do the Dutch braid. So let's start. I'm just gonna show you on this half of my hair. Um, we're gonna start by taking a section of our hair and dividing it into three sections. So here I make 1, 2, and 3 sections of my hair. Now, how do we do a braid? We take the rightmost section of our hair and bring it over the middle section of our hair. Then we take the leftmost section of hair and bring it over the middle section of hair. Right. So in a simple braid and in a French braid, we bring the sections of our hair up from over the middle section. But the only difference in a Dutch braid is that here we're gonna start by bringing the right section and left all the sections of our hair under the middle section. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. Earlier we brought it over the middle section of our hair, and now we're gonna take it from under the middle section of our hair. The same way, the leftmost section of our hair is gonna go under the whatever middle section of our hair, and the rightmost section of hair is gonna go under the middle section of our hair again. So we've made one stitch of a braid, and now we're going to add a little bit of hair to the leftmost section of our hair. I'm going to add a little bit of hair to this section. I'm going to bring it under the middle section of hair. That's the leftmost section, and now the same thing with the rightmost section. I'm going to take a little bit of hair, add it to the rightmost section of hair, something like this, and bring it under the middle section of hair. And we're gonna continue the process till wherever you feel like it. And if you're wondering what is up with my hand in all these videos, I basically tried to make an infinity gauntlet out of henna on my hands. And no, it does not look like it at all. In fact, it looks like some bacterial cell or whatever. Okay, so I'm not going to go off topic now. And I'm going to continue bringing the side sections of hair from under the middle section. As you can see, the braid is coming along pretty well. You have to make the sections. You have to make the braid tight, but not too tight. But it has to be loose, but not too loose, unless you're going for that kind of look. But the tension between the I don't have the words. Whatever. Sorry. I don't have the right words to explain what I'm trying to say, but Yeah. No, okay, now I forgot what I was saying. I don't know how to edit at all. See, it's going along really well. Mm, If you want to, you can pin this section of hair, and you already have a nice hairstyle, or you can make two Dutch braids, like one Dutch braid for this side, or just one single Dutch braid. I mean, the possibilities are endless, so you can do a lot. So, yeah, I'm not gonna tie it this, or maybe I should. I'm gonna do that. Hmm, and look at this. I didn't even comb my hair, so don't come for me. It's a nice hairstyle. You should try it. It works. Bye bye.